OIRAD wheel calibration. In my case, wheel calibration is done only prior software installed. Once app is installed, wheel calibration cannot be done. So you need to uninstall and install the software to make wheel calibration. Okay, first step is to connect the wheel and cable to the GPR port. And then power on the GPR, connect the OIRAD USB dongle to phone or tablet, and then install the OIRAD app. Okay, select File Manager, and then select APKs, then select the OIRAD app. Click Install, and then click More Details, select Install Anyway, and then use password, any password. Confirm, and then click Open, and then select Allow, click Scudo, click Next, select Metric, click Next, select I have a distance measuring wheel, switch, and then leave to 1 meter, and then click Start. Click OK. Now we can proceed on the GPR calibration. And then click Stop. Click Save. Okay, let us test if the calibration is working. Click the OIRAD app. Select Survey. Click this one. And then enable update on movement. And then select this one. Now I'll move the GPR. Okay, when I stop, the display also stop on the app. If I move, it is also moving. And then I stop again. Display on the app also stop. And then I move again. And then stop. So we can confirm that the calibration is working.